Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to make custom frames in Canva. First, open your Canva and then create a new project. Here, for example, and then go to Upload section and then click on Upload Files, then upload your own image from your computer. Now, in this case, I'm going to use this image here. Now, what we're going to do is click on the image and then click on Edit Image button right there at the top. And then from here, you just need to select on Video Remover or Background Remover. So wait for a few seconds. And then once done, click on the Share button at the top right, and we'll then download this image here. Check this transparent background and click on Download. So once you downloaded this image, so all you need to do here is go to the app section. Okay, you're going to undo this one and then go to apps. And then go to the search box at the top and search for image to frame. Now here in the results, you just need to select the first one, this image to frame application. And then from here, click on the open button. And then in the next page, you just have to upload an image or choose your file right here. And then select this image here. Now, if something issues pops up on your screen, you just need to continue, or you can again choose another file. You can try another one. Okay, again, choose the image that we have just cropped. So here you can again drag the corners to adjust the size. And then from here, you can basically select any photos and image and try to put into the frame or inside the frame. All right, so we're going to try this one here. Just drag and drop. So there have it. That's how you basically make this custom frames in Canva. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.